Welcome to Learn English Fast podcast.
Your channel to speak English confidently and improve every day.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Fast podcast.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone.
Today, we are going to talk about the weather, hobbies, and daily routines.
That sounds very useful for beginners.
Yes, if you want to speak English naturally, these conversations will help you a lot.
I'm ready. Let's start.
First, we will talk about the weather and how to describe it.
And then we will share our hobbies and what we do every day.
Exactly. By the end of this video, you will be able to talk about the weather, your hobbies, and your daily life.
That's perfect. I love practicing these conversations.
So, let's begin with weather conversations.
I'm ready.
Hi, John. How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I love sunny days.
Me too. Sunny days make me happy.
Yes, very happy days.
And what about rainy days? Do you like them?
Sometimes, yes, especially when I can stay at home.
Rainy days are good for reading a book or drinking tea.
Yes, very relaxing.
Great. Now we will talk about hobbies.
I'm ready.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books. And you?
I like to listen to music.
Music is great.
Yes, music makes me happy.
Me too.
What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, I like to start my day early.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, every day.
And what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, it helps me start the day well.
After breakfast, what do you usually do?
I go to work or start my studies.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes, yes.
Exercise is very good for energy.
Yes, it helps me feel strong all day.
What do you usually do in the afternoon?
I usually work at my computer and sometimes meet friends.
Meeting friends is fun.
Yes, we talk, laugh, and enjoy our time.
And in the evening, what do you like to do?
I usually watch TV or read a book.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel calm before sleeping.
Do you like to go outside in the afternoon?
Yes, I like to take a walk in the park.
Walking in the park is very relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel happy and calm.
What about hobbies in the evening?
I like to read books or listen to music.
Music is always fun.
Yes, it makes me feel happy.
Do you watch TV in the evening too?
Sometimes, yes, I like watching series or news.
And do you like to cook in the evening?
Yes, sometimes I cook simple meals.
Cooking is a good way to relax after work.
Yes, and it's fun to try new recipes.
What do you usually do before sleeping?
I like to read a little or plan my next day.
Planning the next day is very important.
Yes, it helps me feel ready and organized.
And do you drink anything before bed?
Sometimes I drink tea.
Tea is perfect to relax and sleep well.
Yes, it helps me sleep better.
Great! Today we practiced daily routines, hobbies, and relaxing activities.
Yes, keep practicing and repeat these conversations every day.
Thank you for listening to Learn English Fast podcast.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.